boldness to live by the gospel. Paul and the Philippian church, both of them were bold. They were courageous. They were bold, matatapang. Hindi sila duwag na sila ay mabuhay sa ebanghelyo ng Panginoon. Look at the words of Apostle Paul in Philippians 1:20 and 21. Are you still with me? I eagerly expect and hope that I will in no way be ashamed, but will have sufficient courage. Wow. Naririyan pa ba tayo? Alam nyo, kung meron man tayong mga dapat katakutan ngayon, hindi iyan maipaparis, hindi yan maikukumpara sa panganib at sa hirap na dinanas nila noon. Noon, mga kapatid, andyan ba tayo? Sabihin mo lang, Kristiyano ka, mababartulina ka na. Sabihin mo lang, ako'y Kristiyano, ibabartulina ka na. Poposasan ka na. You will be subjected to extreme punishment. One church historian said, to confess you're a Christian is to sign your death warrant. I've been to Philippi. I saw the prison cell where Paul and Silas were imprisoned. I've been to Rome, where I saw the place where Peter was beheaded and decapitated and imprisoned as well. Kung meron mang dapat matakot, ay ang mga tao noon. Sa Roma, meron tinatawag na catacombs. Nakakita na ba kayo ng catacombs? Ang catacombs ay mga libingan ng mga Kristiyano na nasa ilalim ng lupa 60 feet below the ground. 8 kilometers wide. Ewan ko lang kung maipapakita ng aking mga frenemy sa sound system. Pumunta ako sa catacomb. Doon inilibing, doon nabuhay ang mga Kristiyano. Kawawa noon ang mga Kristiyano. Noon, pagkasabihin mong ako'y Kristiyano, ihanda mo nang mapugutan ka ng ulo, handa ka ng mausig, makulong. Ngayon, pag sabihin mong Kristiyano, papalakpakan ka pa eh. Oy, Christian na raw siya. Wow! Nice! Galing niya naman. Ang galing naman niya. Sana all. Yeah, pupurihin ka pa eh. Lalo na sa Pilipinas, walang magsasabi sa iyo na, tsura mo? Kristiyano ka? Hindi, papalakpakan ka pa. Noon, pag ikaw ay Kristiyano, napakahirap. Pumunta ako doon sa catacombs. Naglakad ako sa madilim nilang lugar. Nakikita niyo ba ako dyan? Ako'y nasa bandang likod. Yan. Ganyang kadilim noon ang catacombs. Pero alam mo, balik tayo sa talata. Iba sa inyo, nagising na. Ano ba? Philippians 1:20, I eagerly expect and hope that I will in no way ashamed. I will have sufficient courage so that now as always Christ will be exalted in my body by life or death. Who talks about death and being a Christian these days? Nobody. We all want to be Christians because we have so many problems. We want some comfort. We want some relief. Nobody says, I'm going to be a Christian and I'm going to be a Christian all the way to the end. Even if I die, I'm going to be a Christian. Eh ngayon, humaba lang yung traffic, hindi na Kristiyano. Masingitan lang ng kamoting nagbabike, kasama ako doon. dahil ako nagbabike din. Pag ako nagdadrive ng kotse, sabi ko, itong mga kamote na to. Pag naman ako nagmumotorsiklo, sabi ko, ikaw kamote ka. Kamote din ako. We give up. Oh my goodness, we give up Christianity for the most frivolous, for the shallowest stuff. Akala ko ba may Diyos? Akala ko ba may Diyos? Akala ko ba umuga lang ng kaunti ang buhay, nagka-problema lang sa buhay, wala ng Diyos. Pero noon, like Apostle Paul, sabi niya, I'm gonna stay true to my faith. I'm gonna be a Christian. I'm gonna exalt Jesus. And that's what Christianity is all about. It's not about you. It's about Jesus living in you.